Okay, very far in Africa, there is a gazelle, there is a deer. He gets up early in the morning and runs for his life. At the same time, a lion also gets up in Africa and it also runs for the breakfast. So when the lion sees the gazelle or the deer, he tries to outrun the gazelle. At the same time, gazelle also tries to save its life. So I would like to tell you that actually it is a leopard. So what is the speed of the leopard of running? What is the speed? The speed is 80 miles per hour and gazelle speed is only 40 miles per hour. So what do you think? Who will win the race or who will get the food? Means the leopard will get the food or the gazelle will be able to save its life? Tell me. According to the statistics, we can say that gazelle will be outrun by the leopard because leopard has greater speed and the gazelle has only 40 kilometers per hour. So statistics says that gazelle will be killed by the leopard. But anyhow, what happens? The gazelle saves its life most of the time because gazelle can run continuously for a longer period than the leopard. Leopard can run 80 miles per hour for only 10 to 15 seconds. And in that period, if it could outrun the gazelle, it can kill the gazelle very easily. But at the same time, if gazelle, so my question is to you that who will win the race or who will be able to save the life? Either the leopard will be able to catch the gazelle for the breakfast or the gazelle will save its life. Tell me. गजल वाई कोई भी जीत सकता है बट यू नो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम गजल विन्स because what happens, gazelle is running for its life and leopard is running for the breakfast only. So the same happens with us also. When we get up early in the morning, we have an aim for our life. If we run for that aim, we will win. If we run for our dreams, we will win. And if it simply gets up and says that okay, it's very cold or it's very hot in the morning, so we will not get, or we will sleep for another half an hour or 1 hour, then we will be just like leopard because our aim is not so high. But the gazelle's aim was so high, he had to save his life. So in this way he tried very hard. So in the same way also students, you will have to save your life by taking action. You know, you think about yourself. When you get up early in the morning, don't think that okay, it's another morning. You should think that okay, God has given me another life, so I should use this life in a right way. I should use my time in a right way to make my career, to make my life. So it depends upon a person whether he will be successful or not. It depends upon how he is using his time, how he is using his life. Okay, so don't be a leopard, be a gazelle. Don't be just like leopard that okay, for the breakfast he will not try too much. He will work for 10 or 12 seconds only. He will run 18 miles per hour for only 10 or 12 seconds. So if he gets that in that period, the gazelle, that's okay. Otherwise he will not run. But the gazelle, the deer, he will surely run for his life. So he will run a lot harder than the leopard, so he can save his life very easily. So in the same way, you have to work hard, you have to think about your aim, and sometimes you feel that okay, now I can't do the work because it is very hard and we have to work very hard. The teacher are very harsh, they are giving us so many work, but don't think about that work because at the same time when you do the work, when you go through that hard work, what will happen? You will be just like diamond because you are working hard and you are working for yourself, not for the teacher. You are working not for the teacher, you are working for your own self. So in this way, if you are coming in this cold winter, so it is for you. If you are working hard, it is for you. And after some years, you will think, okay, because of those work, now we are getting the rewards. So this is the story, and there are some lessons in for you also. So just try to work hard and learn and do whatever the teachers say to you to do. Okay.